Hi, I'm Michael.
I'm Andrew, and we're the founders of BIA.
I want to take a moment to speak to you, our partners in this journey. First, I know you're eager. I know you've been counting down the days, dreaming of the moment when you can experience BIA. To accomplish our mission of great sleep, we've become obsessed with quality. Not good, not almost, not close enough. It has to be great. Because you didn't back BIA for average sleep. You backed it for a breakthrough.
As you may have seen in our previous updates, we've been working directly with our manufacturers, even participating on the assembly line for the 500 beta units. During stress testing, we found a reliability issue in one of our high-speed data lines inside of the electronics. BIA runs fast. It mixes 3 audio tracks while reacting to your brain data in real time. That means microseconds the whole night through. Slowing it down was not an option. So we worked 12-hour days, 6 days straight, with engineers from every stage of the assembly process. We probed, we used high-powered microscopes, we took x-rays, we took units apart, we traced through the entire supply chain, and we tested using equipment that cost hundreds of thousands of dollars. We tested literally everything.
Great news, we found the issue, and a fix has already been implemented. That means production will restart shortly, and we're measuring the delay in weeks, not months.
Once production is back in full swing, we'll update the shipping information inside of your account. New orders placed today are expected to be delivered late June.
Here's what matters. We will not ship something that is almost ready. We are building the best sleep mask on the planet, and that means it has to work for you every night. In our internal testing, we're seeing major gains in deep sleep, and that's on top of strong baselines. Personally, I've gone from an hour and a bit to 2 hours of deep sleep.
Now you've waited, you've believed, you've backed this mission.
And we owe you something that lasts, and rest assured, you will be taken care of. Thank you for standing with us. Thank you for pushing us to be better. We are so close, so very close. You just need a few more weeks. Stay strong, and as always, sleep well.